Hey YouTube, just want to make a quick video here. This is not my house. It is my uncle's house and new house. Just got this. Thought I'd film a video here of the air conditioning system. 77 here, it's 76 what it's set on. Huge house. I mean, you know, it's one of these type styles of gigantic. It's got a American Standard furnace, 90 plus. All the vents are really forceful. They all have plenty of air coming out of them, which is actually more than I've ever seen. I think it might be a little oversized, but even if it is, it's still working. It keeps the house cool, and to my surprise, the furnace is actually from like 2008, but the air conditioner's from 86. It was original to the house, but not the furnace. I'll show the furnace really quick. I don't go outside the condensing unit. Furnace, American Standard, Freedom 90 single stage, water heater, and guard. I think that's what's might be 2008 or something, but whatever the case, it's all newer. Monster duct work going all over the place. I mean, it's crazy. Aprilaire 600 humidifier like I got at home. Refrigerant lines. Outdoor temp. Stretch along this way. Condensation drain. Which is actually pouring a constant stream of water out. If you can see that. So it's working good. Aprilaire humidistat, which I actually never seen. I didn't actually see that. I just now noticed it. That's advanced. I mean, it says 60%. Well, it's probably right. But that doesn't need to go on till winter. Big old pipes, the 90% stuff. And it's huge. It's 100,000 BTUs, the furnace. Air conditioner, I'm guessing, is around at least 3.5 ton. No smaller than 3, because it's big. And yeah, there's final look there. And sump pumps over here. It's a pretty sweet house. Never seen a house that's clean either, considering the old owners. I'd like to film the condensing unit real quick. Comfortmaker. All the data sheet's worn off, so I can't get anything for her. Walk around to it real quick. It's cold in this outdoor temperature. All the data sheet's worn off, but I know it has R22 and it's 86 because I saw the instruction manual downstairs. So It's got Copeland's compressor and reciprocated. Three fan blades. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna end the video here. Just wanted to show an update. Thought it was kind of cool. Mismatched system, but it works really well. And this thing is still purring along good after all the years. Alright, over and out.